boys and girls? Happy Thursday and welcome back to the channel. So it is November 7th. It was 81 degrees today. It's still 80 degrees outside. This is pretty strange. This whole week's been pretty damn warm. So today is a perfect day. I already got the top off the C8. We're gonna do a fun little POV type style. One my GoPro trapped in my head here and one kind of behind me. I did this last year, my C5, kind of the same circuit we'll do today. A lot of nice fall colors. It's weird because it feels like summer. In any case, man, who else is glad the election's over? I hope your guy won, or girl won, or what you want to call it. So I'm tired of seeing political ads, so I'm pretty happy about that. So let's roll the intro. We'll do a fun little montage, a little cinematic of the C8, cold start. We'll do a fun little drive. Yeah, so enjoy. It's kind of a crapshoot. We're in this GoPro. I can't see. I don't know if you guys can see all right, but let's see what happens here. Put this guy in track mode. Have a little fun. Manual mode, of course. All right, guys. Hopefully, wind noise isn't too bad, guys. First time I actually really showcased this exhaust, like really getting on it in a POV, which is really weird. So I do apologize. It's so weird. November 7th, it's almost dark, it's still 76 degrees, and it's kind of humid, so it feels warm. I mean, it is warm in 76. Not too much traffic. I'm in kind of middle of nowhere. There's a lot of traffic out here. Expecting this much traffic here in the middle of nowhere. Hopefully someone is going to turn off here. There we go. Alright, man, you want to turn off too? That'd be great. So there's no traffic coming this way, so I might go way to the end and do a better drive on the way back here in a second. Come on, man. Limit's 55, we're doing 45. I think some people know what you're trying to do or see a sports car and they like to just fuck with you. And so on those roads I can't pass technically. buddy. Come on, buddy. Turn off. Come on, go home. I'm running out of daylight. I got about 20 minutes left. Come on. Half a mile, there's not much residences left, so I guess I'm stuck behind him for a while. I don't know. It smells good down here. People are like burning wood down here. That smell, I love that smell in the country this time of year. Come on, guys, it's 55. What are we doing? So yeah, there's no one coming really this way. A couple onesie twosies. So in about a mile, I'm gonna turn around for you guys. All right, turn around up here for you guys. I love those pops you get when you upshift. Hope you guys can hear them all right. Turning radius is slightly better than that of the C5, man. The C5 turning radius, great car, but I think it's like a dump truck trying to turn around. All right, let's see if we got a little more fun here. Before I started recording, an awesome R8 was next to me. Man, I think we're stuck again. That was fun for a minute. I'll try to get a couple more pulls for you guys. Turn it off, we turn it off. No. Oh, okay. This road is 55. Whenever I get behind someone, they do 30, 35. It's whatever. If I wasn't trying to film, I wouldn't care, you know. So whatever. It's pretty out here. But I'm almost back to the main road, and the sun's almost down. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this out, guys. It's a fun little video. I might do this again next weekend in the C5Z. So cool, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I got something cool for the C5Z next week, hopefully. So until then, you guys take care and mark out.